Hello, what have we here? Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you to give a big round of applause to the everyone's favourite Baron Administrator of it's a Banner gas mine, particularly the one on Bespin in Clout City, is Mr. Lando Calrissian. From the new, this is Lando in his Sandstorm outfit from the new deleted scene wave of the Vintage Collection. Wave 11 to be precise. A really cool figure. Before I give you a better look at the figure, I will give you a look at the packaging. If you can see that alright. Sorry about the glare. Really nice artwork there on the card back. Really fantastic art, I reckon. So, of course, we have the sticker again on the bubble. All the logos and all that jazz in the back, all the same. Here's number 89. So after this one, the only one I have left to review is Princess Leia. So she'll be going up in the next couple of days. For now, let's get on to Mr. Calrissian. He is an absolutely superb figure. Great thing about particularly this figure and Princess Leia is they have two variations of the figure you can have. This of course being Lando's Sandstorm outfit, and also you can get him in his skiff disguise, which I will show you as I dismantle this figure, to say the least. Accessory wise, he does come with this little, this is in the deleted scenes if you haven't seen it. He uses this to scan for the Millennium Falcon. A nicely detailed little piece. It is quite a skinny piece, so it is hard to have him hold it, but you can just find the right little spot for him to get it in there. So of course all this stuff is removable, so we'll start by removing this piece. Just a big plastic piece there. His goggles are also removable. They fit nicely over his head, and then he has this poncho which is also just slips over his head nicely. So this is where we have Lando in his skiff disguise underneath. Quite a nice update too, so really nice head sculpt on Lando. Really captures the charm of Mr. Lando Calrissian. Let's see if I can hold the thing still. Does also come with a blaster that fits into a working holster. Nice little piece. Articulation on Lando. Let's see if we can just zoom out a bit more. He has a ball jointed head. He has ball joints in the shoulders and the elbows. He has swivels at the wrists. He has a swivel waist, swivel hips, ball hinged knees and ball hinged ankles. It's a very nice articulation for Lando. And the other accessories are of course his skiff guard helmet, which does fit on his head very nicely. And also his skiff staff, or his force pike, I guess. It's not really a force pike, it's a, what do you call it? Oh, I've completely lost words here. Vibro blade thing. So it's also nicely detailed, nicely painted. We'll zoom in on that for you. So there we have Mr. Lando Calrissian in his skiff disguise. This is absolutely fantastic to be able to just choose to display him. I do have an older Lando from 2004 in his Gift of Skies. The only thing lacking in that is his articulation, but considering he's just standing there, it's not really a big deal, so I'll be able to display this guy in his Sandstorm outfit. Really nice paintwork and weathering and detail on this figure too, so definitely recommend picking this one up. Definitely one of the best Landos we've had. I'll just take this all off and I'll put him back together in his Sandstorm outfit so you can get one last quick look at that. The poncho slips on nice and easily. Goggles over the head. And that's simple as just, it's hard to get it on there without the glasses, the goggles popping over his head, so bear with me for just 2 seconds. And there we have Lando in his Sandstorm outfit once more. So I hope you've had a decent look at Lando. One more to go and then I'll get back onto some figures that I was intending to do before I picked these lot up. So I've got Aura Singh coming up and Rick Oley and the Naboo pilot. So I do have plenty of stuff to review for you guys in the next couple of weeks. Really nice detail, rips and the tears and rips in the cloth or the plastic. Fantastically detailed. A really nice figure. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back very soon with Princess Leia in her Sandstorm outfit, so stay tuned for that. So I'll catch you all very soon.